Just need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag. It's unboxing time, of course. Today we got a Jordan unboxing. So let's just go ahead and get into it real quick. A quick priority mail. I actually don't want to damage my box too bad because I want to reuse the box for future shipping or whatever. Let's see how it opens. Okay. I think it opens better this way, so let's just get it this way. And you're like, damn, open the box already, bro. You just want to see what it is you got this damn time, right? And, okay, here, this is it right here. This is the one. I gotta be careful not to go too hard on my box here. Boom. They glued it. They glued it. Yeah, they did. They glued it. Okay, so we got the Jordan 12 taxis. Jordan 12 taxis. Yes, they are used. We got a little bit of glue need to be done right there. No problem. That can be done. They always tie knots in these laces, but I'm going to have to undo that. So they don't stink. They actually, they smell like they're supposed to smell. You know, some people say that you can smell them and tell if they're real or fake. And that kind of is true. It's going to need a lot of glue right there. But, I've been okay with these. As far as the 12s go, they cooperate with me. No problem. Ooh. It's gonna need glue from here all the way. And other than that, nice solid shoe. No cracking on the Jumpman sign or whatever. Like I said, they tied knots, so there's no need for me to try to even attempt to undo this while I'm on camera. But they don't stink at all, so that's good. And as far as that right there goes on these toes, there's significant re-glue that's gonna need to be done, especially on this one. And what I'm gonna end up doing is I got two shoes that's gonna need the proper glue. And I'm gonna wait until I get the proper glue so y'all can actually see how to re-glue your shoes. So I might do a video on how I clean these up. It just depends. But that's my pickup for today. I want you to get in here real good because there's some other things that I'm glad I just remembered to mention this. I'm going to be purchasing what they call Angelus products, and that's going to help with painting, because as you can see, there is some paint that needs to be done here, and some right there on the upper. It's leather paint, to be specific. But I want to wait until I get the actual glue so I can make sure that I'm doing that correctly. And I'm going to get all the dirt that you see off of it. I'm going to whiten up the, you know, how I do. It's not a big deal at all. Now, for those of you who are sticklers to, see, it's going to have to have a lot of glue. And I'm kind of low on the glue that I've been using. So I'm going to wait until I get the actual right stuff, so that way when I clamp them together, I don't have to worry about it coming loose. And this one, even though it needs a lot of glue, or in my opinion, there's areas where it has came loose more than the other one. I have a UNC version of the 12, and it also needed glue right here. But once I got it glued down, got the glue down on it like I needed to, I never had another problem with that shoe staying together, because these are some solid shoes. It's just that you have to take your time when you put the glue on, which, if you can pull that back, it's a lot. But it's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. Okay, so now we need to check on authenticity or whatever. So let me get that in there. As you can see, it's got the made in China. It's got the Fabrique in China right below it. And then we're going to look for that style code, which is the numbers right here. See those numbers right there with that hyphen? If you want to look those up, look those numbers up, this shoe will pop up letting you know that it is an authentic shoe. If you ever get something where you don't have the tag, or you ask the person, can you give me a picture of the tag, and they bullshit you, they don't want to do that, then don't buy the shoe. Okay? You must have the tags on there, or at least on one, before I would even attempt to purchase it. So that's how you do that. And it's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. What I got right now is I got this on eBay. It's a chap shirt, and I'm wearing my Bread 13s. Wearing my Bread 13s with that junk. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, my collection is big. The Bread 13s that I got on my feet right now, I bought them from a dude off of Facebook. Okay. I did my authenticity check. I actually have the box that goes with these, so there was no question that I was getting a real shoe. Okay, so at the end of the day, you gotta protect yourself out here. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in all my other videos, just do good, and hey, you can get anything you want. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to work extremely hard to get what you want. It's out here and it's waiting on you. You just have to find your niche. Your niche. And once you find it, grind it. You feel me? It's your homeboy Mag. One.
Just need to exhale.